Welcome. We're so glad you're here. Take a soft breath and just arrive in this space with us for a little while. This is Relanchi, a quiet place to explore how we can rebalance, restore, and reconnect in our daily lives.
Today, we're exploring something beautifully simple, the copper vessel. We're going to be gently looking into why these objects have been part of human life for thousands of years and what they might offer us today.
Right.
This isn't about instruction, but really just a shared curiosity, a gentle reflection. I think for me, Chantell, my awareness of copper began with a simple question. I saw these beautiful, handcrafted water vessels, and I just wondered, why copper?
Why copper?
It seemed both ancient and new at the same time. It's a curiosity that really started a whole journey for us, didn't it? Without that initial spark, we probably wouldn't be sitting here today.
It's true. For me, it was less of a question and more of a feeling, an intuition. An intuition. I remember seeing a copper cup for the first time and feeling a strange sense of familiarity, a sense of knowing. It felt real, grounded.
Right.
In a world full of plastic and disposable things, it had a weight to it, a story. It felt like something you would keep forever.
And that story is so long. When you start to look into it, you realize this isn't a new trend at all.
Now,
It's a tradition that spans across so many cultures and so much of history. From ancient Egypt to India, people have been using copper to hold water for millennia.
exactly. In the Ayurvedic tradition from India, for instance, drinking water stored in copper vessels is a long-standing practice. It was traditionally believed to have purifying properties.
Purifying properties, right?
And I think what's beautiful about that is the deep respect for natural materials. It wasn't about complex science, but about a wisdom passed down through generations, an understanding that the earth provides things that can support our well-being.
It's a sense of continuity, isn't it? The idea that the simple act of drinking water today can connect you to people who lived thousands of years ago. There's something deeply humbling in that.
I think that connection is what invites us into a more mindful state. We all drink water every day, but how often are we actually present for it?
That's true.
For me, using a copper vessel transforms it from a mindless task into a quiet daily ritual.
Can you say a bit more about that? What does that ritual look like?
It's almost nothing, and yet it's everything. It's the simple act of filling the vessel at night before bed. It's the coolness of the metal in the morning. It's pouring the water, watching it, and taking that first sip with a sense of intention. It's a 2-minute pause that anchors the start of my day.
A pause.
It's a gentle way to bring awareness into a moment that's usually just automatic.
It's choosing to be conscious of the small things, choosing materials with intention rather than just grabbing whatever is convenient.
Exactly.
It's not about fixing anything, but about bringing a little more care and presence into your routine. And that feels so different from the pace of modern life. We're so used to things that are fast, convenient, and disposable.
So disposable.
And I think many of us are starting to feel a pull back towards things that are more simple, natural, and lasting.
I think that pull is a desire for connection, a connection to the objects we use, to the natural world, and ultimately to ourselves.
Right, connection.
A plastic bottle is just a container. It has no life to it. But an object made from the earth, shaped by hand, it has a different energy. It carries a sense of permanence and integrity. And in a small way, it can remind us of our own integrity, our own connection to nature.
There's also this simple beauty of the object itself, the way the light catches the warm, reddish tones of the metal. It's a very living color, isn't it? It changes depending on the light and the angle. On a personal level, what I've noticed is simply how it feels. It's hard to describe, but drinking water from a copper vessel just feels different.
It does.
It feels cooler, softer. Maybe that's just my perception, but that perception is real. It makes me slow down and appreciate the water itself.
Yes. For me, there's an emotional or mental shift that happens. Holding something so solid and ancient is grounding.
Grounding, yeah.
It's a reminder that not everything has to be new and fast moving. It's a little anchor of calm. And many people find that bringing this simple, intentional act into their day creates a ripple effect.
Right.
It encourages you to be a little more mindful in other moments, too.
Really just invites you to reflect on your own habits, doesn't it? What are the little routines in your day that could become gentle rituals? What small moments could hold more awareness?
I think so many of these ancient practices have remained with us for a reason, not for some magical benefit, but because they invite us to slow down. They invite us to be present. They ask us to connect with the simple, elemental things that sustain us.
They remind us that there's wisdom in simplicity, a thought to perhaps carry with you into your day.
Thank you for sharing this space with us. Be well. Namaste.
Remember the Relanchi way: rebalance, restore, reconnect.